Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all taking good care. Please stay indoors, be healthy, and stay positive. That's very important. Let's hope everything is going to be alright very soon. We're all always on the lookout for simple recipes with pantry staples, right? Today I'm here with one such simple, lip-smacking, basic tomato curry, which can be used as a base to any vegetable, prawns, chicken, or any meat. You can also enjoy as it is with rice, idli, dosa, chapati, or roti. It is that versatile. So let's dive into the recipe. These are all the ingredients you'll need. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. You can add half a teaspoon mustard seeds if you want, but I'm not adding. Now add chopped onions. Give it a nice stir. Finely chopped green chillies. And a few peeled garlic pods. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Add in a few curry leaves. Saute until the onions turn translucent. Now add in roughly chopped tomatoes. Saute for about 5 minutes till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. To this, add in some salt as per your taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. You can adjust according to your spice levels, and give it a nice mix. Cook covered for about 5 to 6 minutes and then simmer for about 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and garnish with some coriander. You can also add a little garam masala powder for some flavor. Serve with steamed rice, roti, paratha, idli or dosa. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please do share and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.